I know it's been a while since I posted a sister lock video. The truth is, I've just kind of settled into my routine. It's been 5 months now. I haven't changed much. I have found the perfect way to do my braided band, which is a twist and band. And my hair has been growing and thriving. And so there just hasn't been that much new to share. But today is November 17th, which makes it exactly 5 months since I got my sister locks established. So I thought it's a great day to do a video. I am due for a retie next week, so things are looking a little bit rough, but you know I like the rough look. So today I'm going to be washing my hair and counting my locks. So hang out with me as I count my locks. I'm also doing a get ready with me. I'm going to, me and one of my other girlfriend entrepreneurs are getting together over lunch at our favorite restaurants in Atlanta. So I'm gonna get ready for that. I'm also going to dinner tonight with a couple other girlfriends, but the times are kind of close together. It's an early dinner, so however I get ready now, that's going to also be my dinner look. And then I have a few errands to run. I'm going to stop by a place to see if they can custom print the bags that I make for my business, JODI Melissa. You guys have probably heard of her. But anyway, let us get started with the first thing on our agenda, which is to count my locks. So I have some rubber bands and we're just gonna get into it. So I'm going to count, band what I've counted, and then I'm gonna write it down because, you know, kind of forgetful. So let's begin. I have no idea what is the best method of doing this. I forgot to watch other people's videos before embarking upon this task myself. Also, let's see how long it takes, because if it takes too long, I just might quit. Alright guys, let's see. Alright, so it is now 9:20 almost. By the way, welcome! My name is Jody. This channel is all about luxury and locks. Happy to have you here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I think I'm gonna do them in 20s. So here's the first 20. And I'll just keep on doing that. So, all right guys, I'm back. I look a hot mess, I know, but I have all my bundles. I did start over because the parting I did over here wasn't good and they were going into the wrong bundles. So I started at 9:25, so 5, 10, 15, 20. It took about 25 minutes to get them all counted. Let's go ahead and see how many I have. Go ahead and comment for me how many you think I have, and then let's find out how many I actually do. So these are all bundles of 20. I'm just gonna take out the bundle as I count. So this is 1, and this is 2, 3, 4, crap, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Are there any more bundles? No. So 15 bundles of 20 makes 300, right? 2 times 15, 30. Yeah. So I have 300 sister locks, and they are small, medium. The ones along the edges and so on are pretty tiny, so those are my smalls. And then in the middle up here where my hair is thicker, those are mediums, into kind of the larger side of things. But I know my hair is dirty and I look a mess, so I'm gonna go wash my hair and start the get ready part and look more human for you guys. Oh, by the way, I have a Sisterlock playlist that has all the videos from the day that I got my establishment until now. It also has a video on the essential oils and water and how I get my hair to look like this and what my maintenance process is like and all of that. So you can check that out as well. Alright guys, so my hair is now washed. Yes, I pre-washed my hair. I know I am naughty for doing that, but I just do it sometimes. My locks are now 5 months old and I have pretty tight hair except for the ends, and I love the ends being loose, so I'm okay with that. So I'm about to start getting ready. I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like out of the shower. So it's fluffy, it's curly, the roots are pretty thick. I don't have the sleek, clean lines that I did at the beginning of my lock stage, which I don't mind that. I like the bohemian look, as I've told you guys before. So what I'm gonna do now is get my essential oils and water mixture, and I'm just going to spray my scalp. What this is going to do is prevent my scalp from drying out too much and keep me from getting flakes and dry, itchy scalp, you know? So I like to do this after I wash, because if I let it dry before I've done this, I might get the dry, itchy scalp thing going on. So not too much, just that. There we go. All right, let's put some makeup on and get dressed. Alright guys, I went ahead and put my dress on because I didn't want to have to pull it over my head when my makeup is done. I'll show you the whole look in a minute. So I only have about 15 minutes to get my makeup done, so I'm going to go through this really quickly. I am going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and also the Estee Lauder Concealer. And I'll just run through the routine and you guys can follow along. And after this, I'll show you my whole look and my outfit of the day and so forth. Oh, by the way, I'm having lunch with Jane from Le Glacé. I know you guys hear me talk about her a lot. So she's my friend from here, and we're going to, and that's Le Glacé, the boutique, right? You know, the stuff I'm always wearing.
Right. Hi, Jane. Hi. Do you see her dress from Le Glacé? How beautiful is this? She just influenced me to buy this dress, guys.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
But anyways, I put on some chapstick. Gotta have moist lips to start. I've already put on moisturizer, and let me put on some sunscreen. I always wear sunscreen. I love the Black Girl Make It Matte sunscreen. That's what I'm going to be wearing right now. And I like to make sure I get my forehead and this little area right here sometimes gets dark because that's where the sun hits your face. Sunscreen on. I'm going to put on some primer. This is the Angel Veil by, is it NYX? NYX? Found it at Target. It's pretty good. It goes on nice and sheer. And my makeup is just really simple, really clean. That's the kind of makeup I like. And today it will need to be really fast. So let's see if I can get it done.
Carol singing, favorite season. They said say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said say Nick, but you got a bit in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. Frozen. neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's car.
So my foundation is all on and I feel pretty good already. This is honestly the most I do. So I've got the Fenty Beauty translucent powder. My shade is Hazelnut. My shade in the Estee Lauder is Amber Honey. I've been using both of these for years. The Estee Lauder I've been using for about 7 years. And the Fenty powder I've been using for about 2. And I love them both. They're my go-to foundation and powder, and I rarely ever switch it up. Matter of fact, I never switch it up. I'm a very loyal person. Once I do something, I like it, I enjoy it, that's it, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the foundation, which is very important. And then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. I do have microbladed brows, so they're pretty much usually already the right shape and shade. However, the foundation blurs them out a bit. So I go ahead and use my Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow, along with the dip brow brush is really good too, but my sister kind of stole it. So I have the Sephora brush and I like to use that. So that's what I'll do next.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They say
so when they're done, I'll be putting a little bit of highlighter under them, but yeah, this is how they usually look. I like them. So let me finish up. I will be using eyeliner. I know this eyeliner looks raggedy, guys, but it's by Lancome and I've had it for years and it's really good. I'm going to use some mascara. I love Beauty Counter, well, not Beauty Counter, what is that? Target. Mascara a lot. I get the Maybelline kind. I have some lashes by Ardell. Hopefully I have time to put them on. And I'm gonna use this really great eyeliner that I found recently. It is by Revolution. Found it at Target. That's how I'm gonna make the line on the top lid. And what lip color should I use today? I have a thing for brown. I don't think I'll use brown today though. I think I'm going to use Cherry Bomb by, who is this by? I don't know, apparently it's not by any particular brand. It's probably from Target or something like that. What do you think? I like it. Oh, one more thing. Sephora. I love this palette. It has a few shadows in there, a bronzer and a highlighter. And it was only $12, so that's how I'm gonna highlight the cheeks and so forth.
What you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen.
So I'm going to wear my Elsa Peretti Diamonds by the Yard for Tiffany drops. I like to wear drops with a high neck outfit, so I think these look nice. So if you want more information on my jewelry, be sure to check out my jewelry playlist that I have on my channel. Also subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Luxury locks, jewelry, that kind of thing. I'm going to wear my tennis bracelet today.
Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, bring the cheese. Put the lights up, 'tis the season.
Alright, so this is all the jewelry that I'm going to wear for today. My drops and my Hippolyta necklace. Just wore it at its full length for a more casual look. Hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me and counting my locks. Let me know what you think in the comments and see you friends in another video. Oh, by the way, look out for my holiday content. Starting Sunday the 21st, I'll be posting a video every single day for that week. So be sure to look out, get some great Christmas gift ideas and so forth. As usual, thank you for supporting my channel. See you in another video.